Dean! Dean, where are you?
I'm right here, Zach. Oh, hey. Whew. There's a lot of product down here still from Bike Week.
What are we going to do with all this product?
Let's go talk to Joe, see what we can do. So what we'd really like to do is extend our Bike Week specials all the way through the end of May.
Are you kidding me, you guys? You know how great these savings were? Absolutely not. We can't keep giving these amazing savings. It's not happening.
Well, Joe shot us down. What are we going to do now?
I got an idea. Let's talk to Other Joe.
Other Joe.
Hey, Other Joe. We had such a great time during Bike Week and we sold a lot of product, but we still have a lot left over. What do you think about extending our sales through the end of May?
Well, Dean, that sounds like a great idea. I can't wait to sell all this product through the end of the month.
All right. You heard it here. Other Joe said we can extend our Bike Week specials all the way through the end of May. Come see one of the parts professionals or one of our service writers today. Woo!